we're about to go over to this spot right here across the street and get some authentic Thai. What's the name of that place? The name?
Thilik.
Huh?
Thilik.
Thilik?
Yes.
We're going over to Thilik, y'all. She suggested it. She said, go get some tom yum or some Thai food. We're about to go over there and check it out, y'all. Right here on 2nd Road in Pattaya. Pattaya Beach, yeah. We're gonna go check it out. All right, let's go. Oh, wrong way. Here we go, y'all. We mad dashing it across the street here. Let's go check this spot out. Let's see what they got. See what they got. Let's see. Hello. Seafood Massaman Curry. Huh? I do. I want some good Thai food. Ooh, Thai seafood curry. 200 baht. Let's see what else you got.
Yes, sir.
Thai seafood Massaman Curry.
Yes.
That's Thai?
Yes. All time here.
All Thai here. That's, you heard it? Yes. Let's take a seat. Let's take a seat.
Yes.
Where?
Right.
Anywhere is good?
Yes. Everywhere you like.
I'm gonna sit right here. It's okay?
Yes.
It's okay to sit here?
No problem.
Yo, we're gonna get the Massaman seafood curry right there. Right there. Authentic Thais. 200 baht right there, guys. Let's get it. Yo, it's here, y'all. Here it is. Okay, it looks a little different. Right? It has more sauce. A little different.
Or you want this one to put on here? Same
Right.
This one?
That sauce, right?
Yes.
Because it should be same, right? No? Right? You have that sauce?
This one no. This one อะไรนะเขาบอก curry. This one curry. This one
Yeah.
masman.
Oh, that's what I thought. Seafood Massaman Curry.
Yes.
No? Can I get curry?
You
Okay. All right, y'all. So this one, I ordered this one, but it don't look like that. It still look good, yo. It's got them onions on it and them shrimps. It look like some, but that's the one I ordered right there. But it don't look like that one right there. Let's see what they're gonna do. It's okay. Yep. There we go, y'all. It's back. Got a little curry on it. Let's check this out right here, y'all. This is what it is. All right, man. You guys saw it. It looks delicious. It looked delicious the first time she brought it out. But I wanted mine with like that red sauce that I saw in the menu. And they took it back and it looks a little redder, but let's check this out. Look at this. There's potatoes in there. Potatoes and onions and shrimp and squid in there. And got those sauces and spices and herbs, man. Let's go into it. Let's stop talking and get into it. First thing I'm gonna taste is just the sauce by itself, all right? Oh, wow. That's sweet, spicy. Oh, it tastes nuts. Oh, wow. The flavor is awesome. They offered me rice and I said no. I wish I had have taken the rice now. This goes great with rice. There are potatoes in here though, so I do have my starches. You know what? Rice, right? I'll take rice. Yeah, one rice. I ordered some rices now, man. This is going to go great with rice. Yeah, I'm gonna get some rice, man. Oh my goodness. That flavor is delicious. It has sweetness on it and those nuts that come in, it's like peanuts. And it's spicy on the throat, man. It's hitting my throat, them spices. I'm waiting for that rice. This might be my only meal today. I'm about to get full. Oh yeah, the rice is coming. I see her making it. I wish I could videotape it, but I'm chilling out. Oh yeah, perfect. Thank you very much. We got that rice, y'all. Look at that rice. That rice is here. Y'all thought this was a game. We ain't playing. We are not playing. Here we go. All right. Y'all know I always talk about that sticky rice. See how they rice holds together? I'm glad the young lady across the street told me to come here. Wow. This is the banger spot. Get that shrimp out of there. I told her a little spicy. I'm glad I just said a little spicy. Because full spice would have got me, y'all. I'm about to get some more squid right there. Uh-oh, I'm dropping. This is good, really good. You gotta always go with the rice. Because there's so many herbs and spices in here. That rice just mellows it out a little bit. It's still raining outside. They got the massage parlor over there. They've got that place, it's called Beer Teak. The lady that's out front had told me to come. They got 7-Eleven over there to the right. Oh, my people, see they waving over here. Perfect. Yep. There's the bot bus right there, y'all. I'm gonna get that bot bus and ride in the rain a little later. If it's still raining, we gonna check it out. I'm gonna have to work out, man. I don't think I've ever eaten this much rice. There's the bot bus, y'all. Look. That joker crowded. Look how busy the streets are right now, just like 10-15 minutes later. Traffic is basically at a crawl right now. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. But you're with the right cat now. I love you. I love you. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Thanks for joining the channel. Thanks for sending a comment, man. I try to read every comment that comes in here while I can. And I'm going to sit here and just enjoy this dinner. Then we're going to go out on Thailand and see what else it has to offer. I'll see you guys until the next clip or the next episode. Wherever we go, man, there's no plan here. Just capturing images no matter what. Peace. Hey, y'all, I'm lost out here by Sugar. So I'm wondering, should I go down Sugar Street? I ain't messing with y'all, yo. Nah, some YouTubers are down here. Going to check them out, see what's happening. Down Sugar. down Chugga Street. This street is packed, man. It's like really packed. Yo, it's like off season, but I don't care what y'all say. Uh-oh, is that a Harley? There's that bot bus. Bot, B-A-H-T, not B-O-T. Somebody said they thought I was saying bot. There's the Bronx Pizza, y'all. You got the Bronx Pizza in Thailand. There we go. Oh yeah, y'all, we out here. This shit is great. I mean, this stuff is crazy. This is like a small motorbike. It bumps. Y'all thought this was a game, but it ain't a game. We out here riding the bikes in Thailand. We breaking. You know, I gotta get your name again. I'm gonna start calling him Air Force. That's where I'm staying. I'm staying right there, y'all. We're out here, man. We're about to go to Second Road. We're gonna make a right. We're going down to Soy 16 to see what's happening. I'm sorry, not Soy 16, Soy 6 to see what's happening. And away we go. 7-Eleven. Alright, y'all, I lost my hat. So I guess it's time to get a new hat. We're almost there, y'all. I lost my hat, but it's all good. I don't need a hat. Time to get a new hat. I've been wearing that hat. People have been like, you be wearing the same hat. Here we go, right here, y'all. We right here. Right here, right here. Right here. Oh, goodness. This is it. But I'm gonna go to this one spot that's way down here. Yo, we out on Soy 6. Lost my hat, y'all. We're just out here bugging. We're just bugging. This right here, this will make sure nobody come up on us. Uh-oh, it ain't making sure. Oh, I smell something in the air. I smell, Look, y'all. Y'all know I had to slow down because the food there. All right, I'm ready for breakfast, man. I'm here, I'm about to check out of this room. Right here, I think I showed a video of this room before. And I think I'm going up one flight or down one, but once again, this hotel is between 30 For this room, I'm paying like 32 a night. I'm going to another room. It's going to be about 34 a night. But this room, I've seen, since I've been here, I think I was here 6 days. I've seen like 6 roaches. I've seen a roach a day, even though it all wasn't in one day. So I just wanted to move out of this room. If you're from where I'm from, you like, if roaches in this room, roaches in the building, but we'll see. I haven't talked to a couple other tenants. They didn't have any problems, so I'm about to bust a move. It is nice though, man. Let's check this out. I think this was a pretty sweet deal for 30 some odd dollars a night, you know. Of course, it's air conditioned. The view is spectacular. And of course, you've seen the rooftop view. But this is actually, this here is really like a balcony. You open that door and it's kind of like you just turn the front of your room into a balcony. And the view you can see over this way towards John TM. You can see the tower from here. You can also see the ocean. Okay, y'all, just came into my new room. I mean, all of these rooms, well, at least the 2 that I've been in, seem to be made up the same way. Have the shower, the walk-in shower. That one there has 2 soaps, right? You see they give you toothbrushes here, which I don't need. Just a little bit of tissue. Oh, there's more in this one. There was only 1 roll of tissue. Here they have extra tissue. There's water for you. I like this. There's a washing machine here. I need that. You can dry your clothes outside. This stuff here. Let me see, what's different here? Anything different? They got some bedroom slippers there for you. So normally you take your shoes at the door here. All right. And then you have this room. I was gonna say, what's going on here? Okay, this is preventing the door from opening, but we can fix that. We can fix that right there. There you go. Okay, this one, the room just looks nice, a lot neater, more fashionable. It has some colors and pillows, and it has some type of art on the wall. They have candles here. That's pretty cool. There's a safe in this room. There wasn't any other. This is pretty much the same price. If not, it's like $1 more. So we're looking at like 30 something dollars a day. And this one here is pointing the other way. This here, you can't see as much as the water, but this is pointing towards the Hilton, and you see some of Thailand here. So, am I happy? Yes. So far, so good. We'll let you know on the exit how I feel. Oh, evidently they have this chair covering this, like they don't want you to go out here. So I can't. I don't have the key to this to dry clothes if I wash them. I guess I can hang them there and open the window. Very, very interesting. This little tissue thing here. Oh, they got a brand new roll of Scott tissue. Yeah, man, and the television is elevated more. I like this, y'all. I'm a happy camper here. Let's do it another 6 days, I believe I'm here. So let's hit the adventure.